I don't, Kura. That guy has no armor.
Put two into him. Finish him off, Jared.
Oh, I tagged him again.
I'll lay down us. You know he's fucking pissed.
Oh, for sure.
He must be shooting at me. Coming for you, bitch. Ooh, there we go. No, come on. Nice.
They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Where did it? Oh my god, what?
Scared me. Get a mini up here. Somebody just got bought back over here. I'm dropping my money right here.
Which is medium? 45, I think. Nope, a little bit more. Here you go, guys. Two cars. Got out.
Here, somebody take this. That's living longer than me.
Take what?
That money.
Cash here.
Ah, I'm gonna die immediately.
Setting a charge.
They're coming this way. Ooh.
Setting a charge.
You eat shit. You eat shit. You eat shit.
Good shit, Jared.
Armor box over here.
Jared, do you have a satchel?
Yeah.
Oh, Josh got it.
We gotta go. Hello? Can I grab the armor box? Thank you.
Somebody bought a loadout over here. Oh, I got a ping on somebody. It's impressive.
I guess it's
And there's another one running up towards them.
Location marked. Move up. Copy. Yeah, cancel that.
Oh, I got something from behind, John.
Dark armor on that guy.
Down there.
Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Shit.
Friends are behind him.
God damn it.
cool. They keep the whole team. 3 guys, Jared.
Nice. Nice.
What you got going on down there?
The guy over.
This way.
I can't ping him.
What's he doing? Oh, he just jumped off.
I was hoping he's gonna jump back in.
Oh, yeah, 2 of them jumped off.
Enemy here.
Fuck me.
Okay.
The fuck?
Can't even ping him.
Audio jump.
Just one stun grenade.
Closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Okay, what's the plan?
Don't go to blue ping. I'm getting fucked up. I'm going to firehouse.
I'm moving.
Which
Should've waited for
firehouse?
Lola.
Moving here.
Has it been hit up? Can you tell yet?
Oh my god, where? Blue ping, I guess. That makes sense. I wasn't paying attention.
I'm right across the street. Holy shit.
Audio Jungle.
Inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Oh, he saw me.
How much time is left on the most one?
Loadout.
Minute.
5.
Guys here.
You still press a drone? Yeah, you know, just reviving.
Shit.
Holy fuck.
Oh, they're pissed. This shitty ass gun.
That's alright. You're about to be right back.
Hopefully in 30 seconds you'll be back.
I gave him a good fight.
Yeah.
I wish I had just a little bit more money. I could have got both of y'all back at one shot, even though I was getting shot at the time, but... I could have had the right monies back.
Got movement. Heading this way.
Boom.
Most wanted.
There we go.
25 remain. Nicely done.
Is there anybody on the loadout?
Sounds. Yep, they're close.
They're close. So just
Mhm.
Shoot me on the fuck across the ravine. Come on.
yeah, he's right there.
We got movement. Never mind. See one. Mark him.
Shit. Wrong class. Oh,
Oh.
Right down there, down one.
On your ping.
Two guys here. He's gonna throw that. Two down over here. Three coming your way.
Got me.
Safe zone.
Right, well.
Did not get the right class. That's
You
okay.
got a bad box. Probably can't get me hammer.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I got an armor
Yeah, we
box. Armor box going down. Here's extras.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Hey, just in case I go down. Here.
Fuck.
And that way you can get Josh back. Each of y'all grab like $1,000.
Closing in.
Why can't I get this?
What's up?
Why can't I get this?
Where'd you
armor
drop it
box?
at? Oh, that's it.
Well, let me get the armor box. I don't know what the fuck. Okay, where's that cash?
Guys on me.
Oh, there you go.
I don't even fucking ammo.
60, that's it.
Down one of those.
Nice.
To the left, bro.
Down one.
Shit.
Kill him.
You got guns on you? Yeah, come here. Shit. There's that satchel. There's a couple.
I got a satchel already.
I got 19 rounds.
Another armor box going down.
Closing. Get to the new safe zone.
I need fucking AR ammo bad. Can you get a mini? Oh no.
Yeah, let me get it. When you going down? Here.
Okay.
Down to one.
Oh.
Whoops.
That guy's broken.
Yeah, I'm out. Nice. Good shit.
2v2.
Yeah.
Might be able to get.
Money. Right by them back if you can.
I don't have enough for both.
Here.
Oh, hard. Oh, fucking course.
Where at?
Just 71.
This guy here.
Should I just float for a minute?
Enemy here.
Light ping on him.
Enemy here.
2 teams.
2 teams.
Enemy
Light ping still.
Love it.
2 teams. It's 3v1v1.
I see one.
I don't know where the other guy is.
Going here. I see one.
Alright.
Team up on that guy.
Shit.
Oh, where's this guy at?
Oh, no. He's not gonna be able to get one.
Oh shit.
Right here. Got him.
I don't.
Good shit, boys.
Oh, with the pistol.
Cue them. Good shit, dude.
Good shit, boys. Good plays. Good shit, everybody. Yeah, yeah.
Cue the fucking music.
Well, it's good to see the gun glitch is still a thing.